Ayan. We're here in Texas Roadhouse. Smells good. We are now going inside the restaurant.
Alright. How many today? 2.
May naka-display dyan na different kinds of ribs. We are now heading to our table. Inilagay na ng waiter yung kitchenwares namin. Ito pala ang complimentary bread dito sa restaurant na ito. Time to look at the menu. Favorite talaga namin ni Habi yung complimentary bread nila. At saka yung butter nila na cinnamon. Kaya kain while waiting. Unang dumating ang side dish ni Habi na salad. They give us another set of breads. Ito ang glimpse ng loob ng restaurant na ito. Marami talaga ang customers dito.
Pretty good. You good?
Yeah. Same kami ng order ni Habi maliban sa aming side dishes.
You want a little cup of it, or does it look okay? Alright.
So ito yung full off to the bones baby back ribs. Pine-prepare ko muna yung aking cutlery na gagamitin. And table napkin. Ayan. So ito ang aking full off to the bones. Ayan. I have my seasoned rice and baked potato. Let's eat.